Hey guys, welcome back to Kalyug Techy, and in the last video we have built a very beautiful app and functionality based app, and now we're gonna do favorites, or you can say bookmark thing. We can bookmark any Wikipedia page and we can see over in the menu tabs and we can open it, and also we're gonna do optimization a little bit. So let's get started without any further ado. So here we have a code, and let's make another class which will name as menu. And for now, just remove this line, and also the key, because we are not going to use it currently. We need a web view controller for this menu tab as well. Giving the type of the variable is good practice, and web view controller, let's call it first of all from the app bar, and after navigation bar it's good, and controller dot future. We need to have a variable where we can save our like favorites. A final set, we are using set for now. It's good. You'll see favorite, a set of strings which helps us in storing the favorites tabs link, basically a URL. So let's call it as well favorite accessor, or you can say favorite. Okay, so it's going to be a function because we don't want a copy of the variable, favorite variable. So let's name it favorite and pass it from here as a function, as a anonymous function, you can say. Let's name it get it from, let's first return main thing, which is a pop-up menu button, where we have going to item builder. So it's take a context, if I'm not wrong. Yes, let's provide it because it's a return type. Return, we are going to return, let's initialize, provide the generic type of this as well. Pop-up menu item, and it's a type of string for now. So we are going to store a string values in the pop-up menu item, and let's provide a pop-up menu item name which is going to be seen over in the menu tab, and we name it jump to link. If you find a better name, you can suggest in the comments as well. Okay, so we have a value parameter as well, where we need, like, it's a map kind of thing, where we need a key to access a variable, and it's same as here in the value. So we name it also a jump to link. Okay, so we are good. And there is also a parameter in the pop-up menu button which is on select, which is basically a key if we compare it to the map structure. So actually we don't want to compare it, we want directly to open a new screen where we are going to see favorites. Actually we are forwarded the video, you can say. First of all, we should add the variables. So let's let's first of all add the variables in the favorite tab. So let's use a floating action button, and background color we will use for now a blue with a colors.blue accent is good, and also a child icon. We'll provide an icon favorite. Okay, on the on press we wanna save it to the favorite list. Again a fine WebView controller. Let's do it in a data, use in a data. As it's a async, we are going to use a wait controller.future. And I know we have used WebView controller many times. We should initialize only one time and use it everywhere. Now just get the current URL. Like if you are in the on this page, you should have the URL of this page. So how we gonna use get this? Just string a current page URL. So from the data, or you can say controller, we can get current it's a current URL. So now we have the current URL. We can check if you are let's make a bool variable URL already exists. Check in the future set in the favorite set if any of the element is equal. Like elements is nothing but a URL which is a type of string. Let's define the type as well. As you can see, here it is. And if this is equal to current page URL, then it's gonna return true. And if it is true, URL already exists, then we gonna show snack bar. So URL already exists. We can show a snack bar as well. If it isn't, then what we need? Let's okay. So if it isn't like in the set, we're gonna add it now. Current page URL, and now it's added to our page. Show a snack bar. You are using lots of snack bar. Why not just place it in a method? Use it everywhere. Build scaffold. We need a context first. How it's gonna know which context we are talking about, and the context as well. The are going to show and paste it, and okay, message over here. We're gonna cut this and use it everywhere. So build snack bar and just place your thing here, and hooray, it's so short. And you can do as this as well. Just you paste and remove the extra parentheses, and great, the URL already exists. So we're gonna let URL already exist. If URL added, URL success. Okay, so okay, so let's restart it, and you wanna see over here a favorite icon, and currently it's so, but nothing happens if you click on it because it's not till added yet. If you click on it, it says URL successfully added, and if you click it again, it will show URL already exist. Okay, first thing done. And second thing, we want to see the URLs which we have created. Favorite screen dot dart. We screen and okay, and scarf, name it as a favorite wikis. Again, if you have a better name, you can do that as well. You can comment, put it in a comment as well. In the body, we want to show a list view builder, because we can have multiple favorites. And now we do, and let's get the favorite list from the previous page. Favorites, okay, we'll this, and it's a context and index. It takes 2 arguments. Here is a item count parameter as well, which is going to have the length of the list view builder. We are let's make a container, so it's going to look good. Margin same, let's copy. We will see decoration. In the decoration, a circular, not all, and the color is going to be look good, and a child with favorites dot element add. The let's place in the favorite here, and this style, let's give it a white. Okay, and let's save it and go back to the screen. And when we click on this, we should see navigator dot list of favorites, push material page route, and favorite. It's a favorite screen, guys. Yes, and now we need to have a favorite. So if you want to share this file favorite, we can use this because it's a functional. We have passed it from the function, so we have the same variable, same data as the storage medium, like we have added from here. So let's save, restart the app, and we should see our favorites there. So first of all, let's add this page as a favorite, and as a Bangladesh, add it as well as a favorite. Go back. Yes, we can go back, and now as we click on it, we can see here we have the URLs of the favorite. Now what we want, as we click any of the item, we should open the URL. So how we can achieve it? It's simple. Let's listen to the pop-up event. Whenever the user click on that link, we should get it here after popping up. So let's save it in a string, popped URL, and wait for it. Async. Okay, now we have let's surround it with the gesture detector. On tap, we want to close this screen and open the link pop. So in the pop method, we have a parameter, we can provide a result. So as we know, we have links in the favorites list or say set, so we can get it from the element at method, and as soon as we click on it, it's gonna pop and save and go back over here, and we'll receive it in the popped URL. So what we need now, we need to check if the URL is not null. So check if it's null, or we can also check if it's not empty. It's great, it's readable, and we are going to await again because we gonna launch it. And as I said earlier, we are going to use Webby controller a lot because all things is depending on this. It's a feature, so we'll receive it in the final variable and we name it WVC and load this URL, pop URL. So let's see it working. We are going to restart it and okay, now we have this. Currently we don't have any favorites. Let's add a favorite. Okay, this is screen, add this as well. Okay, we have two URLs. Let's go back and again try to go back, can't go back, right? And go to jump to link, and now if we click any of it, it's going to open the URL. Okay, great. Now what we can also do, we can change the favorite color, tab color, if it is selected or already added or not. So we're gonna use a variable, a bool variable favorite. In starting it's going to be false, and let's make it stateful, and let's if we add it as a favorite, just use over here, use set state to make it true. If we go to another page, let's suppose we'll jump on another page, so it should again back to the false state. So what's the parameter or the method we can use? Delegate, and let's navigation delegate and return decision dot navigate. It's want to know you wanna navigate or not. So we won't navigate, repeat that. Okay, so let's paste it and make it false again. From the bool variable, we'll change the color of this tab, background color as color. So here, if the variable is like true, favorite already added, accent, otherwise colors dot black of 54. Save it and now edit. Nothing changed because it's not focus, it's foreground color. Back. It's foreground color. Sorry guys, it's foreground color. And let's jump on Hindi, and it says here black. As soon as you click, it's going to add favorite and jump to links and go to India tab. We have already added it. You are already added. That's it for this video. In the next video, we are going to improve the UI as well. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please smash the like button and hit the like button and share to your friends, and do comment if you have any query.